Kevin, can you go get Daddy a beer?
Go give me a beer. Give me a beer.
Come on, let's go get Daddy a beer.
Here, I'll hold it. All right,
Okay,
give me a
go.
beer.
Come on. Get up there. You need help opening that? Okay. Okay, get Daddy a beer. Get him a beer. Where is it? Okay, go give it to Daddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Careful getting down.
Woo. All right. You can't drink that. Thank you. Here's your popper. Thanks, buddy.
Good job.